How to reset any Eufy, Anker, robot vacuum, quick and easy. Method 1. Soft reset, reboot, no data loss. Step 1. Power off the robot vacuum using its switch or unplug it. Step 2. Wait while 30 seconds. Step 3. Power it back on and let it restart and charge. Method 2. Using hardware button combos, RoboVac 50NC, 25C, 35C. 15C max, 25C max, 30C max. Press and hold the Wi-Fi auto-clean button for 10 seconds. You'll hear a beep and see the Wi-Fi lights slowly flash blue when reset is done. RoboVac G series, G10, G20, G30, G35, etc. Press and hold the Wi-Fi auto-clean button for 10 seconds. You'll hear a voice prompt and the Wi-Fi light will slowly flash blue. RoboVac Seat, 1 seat, hybrid. Press and hold the two designated buttons, Spot Clean and Home, simultaneously for 5 seconds. You'll hear a voice prompt and the unit restores factory settings while the Wi-Fi light flashes blue. RoboVac R30, L35, LRR20 series. Press and hold the Start Pause Recharge buttons together for recharge buttons together for 5 seconds. You'll hear a voice prompt and see the two buttons lights flash blue to confirm a full reset.